student work permit rules are going to change. There's a list of in-demand courses which is being made and students are in panic. In this video, you will get to know the points that you can keep in mind in the coming days, if you are sitting in Canada or going to apply or have applied. So let's talk about the new student work visa rules. The first thing that has come up is that in the coming days, the rules of student post-work can be changed. It can be closed. It can be closed for a certain category. So the first thing is that when will it be implemented? It can be implemented now or in a month or in a year. It can also be that the Liberal government in October 2025, the elections in Canada are pending. So by October 2025, it can be linked so that the government itself does not take responsibility and wait for the election. After the election, if they win, then give an update on it, or after that, the new government will have to update it. So, one possibility is that there is no such thing yet, that it will be implemented only tomorrow. So, first of all, there is no timing for this. It is possibility that it may take 2, 4, 6 months. After that, some structure will be made. Then this will happen somewhere. And in what shape? Which shape will come? Which will be the in-demand courses? Which students will be applied? This will also be decided then. But there is no fixed timeline for this yet. Second big point, however, the questions that have been asked in this, those who are sitting in Canada, who have already got their visas or they are studying, they have been said to be applicable to them as well. But any country in the world, any country, any rules and regulations, it is not possible to change them overnight, because many parties have a future bet on it. If you apply for September 2024 intake, these are applied on January 2025 students or students after that, then you do not need to be afraid. If you are going in September 2024 or you are already studying there, then it cannot be applied on you, because any student, whenever he takes admission anywhere, whether he takes admission in India, no one can change the rules suddenly because there is a democratic government. They can't push. Whatever rules will be implemented, they will be implemented from a new stage. Whoever student will take admission after that date, it will be implemented on them. There are two examples. First of all, the spouse open work permit was banned. This announcement comes on the 22nd of January. But it is implemented on the 19th of March. So the students who filed a file after the 22nd of January, filed a file before the 19th of March. They are getting positive results. Second, the work permit of the students of PPP college has been closed. So the students who will start the classes from the 15th of May will get the work permit. Whoever will start after the 15th of May will not get it. So any rule will be applied, its date will be fixed. September 2024, it may not be applied to January 2025. Third big point is about a list of in-demand courses. No doubt that this list can be issued. There are 10 provinces, so the list of 10 provinces will be different. To exemplify it, petroleum is very important in Nova Scotia. If you take admission in college or university, you will get more engineering courses. You will get petroleum engineering, industrial engineering, because there the work of petroleum is more. Opposite to that, if we talk about British Columbia, then there is an IT industry in British Columbia. If there is any demand there, then most of the IT industry will come out. So all the provinces, the list of in-demand occupations will be different. There will not be only one list, keep this in mind. If you are a management student, there may be a lot of demand in Ontario. If you have studied healthcare, although its demand is in all over Canada. So it can be in a particular, like Ontario has just released opportunities for nurses. So it may be in demand in Ontario or in someone else. So it will depend on that thing, that state. What is the economy of the province? The fourth big point is this list. The 8 questions that have been asked. How frequently should we revise this list? This means that nothing remains static, it changes. Today, there is a demand for a particular professional in British Columbia. It is possible that after 1 year, another industry will grow there. So this list will keep changing and updating from time to time. There will be many new professions that will be added to it. So in that list, you will be able to see the change. It may be revised after 1 year or after 2 years. It may also be that it will be repeated after 6 months. In the coming days, it will be known that after how long that list is revised. Fifth and most important point, all the international students who study in Canada usually they are such courses whose demand is all over the world. There are many examples of it like project management, hospitality management. Hotels can never be closed. Events can never be closed. All the business programs are used in every industry. IBM, GBM, supply chain is a very big thing. So these things are present everywhere. Engineers all want, health professionals all want. Apart from this, if we want the trade of plumbers, they all want. So whatever international students take studies from here, it is not that a particular trade is needed and others are not needed. Even for a business, you need HR in any company, a project manager, a software engineer. It may be so necessary that there may be a shortage of certain professionals. If there are nurses there, then there may be a shortage of healthcare nurses and engineers. These are the 5 points that you have to keep in mind. You don't have to be afraid, you don't have to panic. These are the 5 points that you have to keep. Canada was the same yesterday. It is the same today and it will remain the same tomorrow. There is nothing to worry. These changes keep coming time to time. You have to keep your focus on your goal. This is the biggest question at this time that is being asked by the students. If there is a question regarding this video, then write below, you will get the answer.